Good evening. I am Judge Angela Lasher of the 90th District Court for Charlevoix and Emmet counties. I want to thank the Petoskey and Charlevoix chambers for the opportunity to record this video tonight. I am the current District Court judge. Prior to that, I was a prosecutor in Emmet County for 15 years. I've been a lawyer for almost 2 decades, and I've been involved in this community for the past 16 years. I would encourage anyone to go to keepjudgelasher.com to learn more about my professional experience, my family, and my involvement again in the community. For me, this race is really about what's best for the people of Emmet and Charlevoix County, what is best for the people that appear in the courtroom, the public, and the attorneys, and what is best for my staff. I believe that a proven judge with the most experience and the right demeanor is what's best. I have spent the last year living up to the pledge that I made the day that I was sworn in. I am fair and knowledgeable, I am patient, and I listen, and I treat everyone with respect. This court is one of integrity, and I demand that everyone who enters my courtroom also act with integrity and respect for everyone. I have kept the courts open and accessible. I have led 2 courts through a pandemic, and we emerged without a case backlog. I have changed the way that my court operates to reduce the time individuals spend here. We run on time and are mindful of the fact that people take time off of work to be here and shouldn't have to wait for hours. I have successfully run 2 sobriety courts, and I'm in the beginning stages of implementing a veterans court. I can back up my commitment to treatment courts. For the past 16 consecutive years, I have either served on a drug court or run one. These are not hypotheticals. This is what I have done. No one has to guess or speculate about what kind of judge I'm going to be. Instead, people know exactly what kind of judge I am. I have spent every day this year in district court. I have spent hundreds of hours on the bench presiding over 1,000 cases. Most days I hear anywhere from 25 to 30 cases. My opponent has appeared in district court this year for a total of 1 hour, and that was in Charlevoix. It's even less time in Emmet County. I can't tell you where he was this year, but I can tell you where he wasn't. This race should be about the right experience, and I have that experience. This race should also be nonpartisan. I have met with leaders from both parties, and I have received support from both. I am proud of my nonpartisan support. I will not go all in with one party or the other. Frankly, to do so would be non-judicial. I remain pledged that politics have never and will never enter my courtroom. So let's not make this race about outside voices who have never spent much time here and don't know me or my opponent. Let's make it about the people who see how my courts function each and every day. Let's not make it about the appointment process. This is a distraction. Let's make it about the job that I am doing and how I am doing it. Let's make it about my record and how my court has been run for the last year. I'm extremely proud of that record, and I stand by it. I am excited to continue our high standards and progress into 2021, and I am asking for your vote.